So I just posted a video about the Hero 10 and the Insta360 One RS as webcams. And it's really cool and some amazing features. But then as I was making that video, I discovered that the Insta360 One X2 can also be used as a webcam. And yeah, I'm using the Insta360 One X2 as a webcam right now. This is what it looks like. And this is also what it sounds like because it uses the microphones. But there's more to tell you. And let's get to it quickly because it's Thursday. Now, before we start the clock, let me just say, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you are new here, don't be a stranger and click this button right there. Links to everything will be down in the description, plus a surprise link, so go down there and check that out. But yeah, this is the Insta360 One X2 as a webcam, and it's actually really nice, especially in kind of low lighting. It doesn't look too noisy or compressed, but it also has this zoom feature. So if I do come over here, it will actually follow me a little bit. Yep, just like that. I'm not touching it. It's actually pretty cool. It'll zoom in and zoom out and go wide just by using the voice detection that's in the microphones. Now I pressed the side button here, and I think that might have disabled the zoom feature because it's not doing it anymore, which, yeah, I think a lot of people online were complaining about that and they must have fixed it. So that's awesome. Let's press it again and see if it turns it back on. Oh yeah, it did. It went back on. So yeah, it works. And so here's how you set it up. You just swipe on the screen, go into the settings, you go to USB mode, and you set it to webcam. And that's it. You just plug it into your computer and it shows up as a webcam, but also you can choose the built-in microphones, which is really awesome. And if you get this accessory, you can plug it in and then actually plug in an external microphone or a wireless microphone, and it sounds that much better. And what's great about the DJI microphones is that you have two of them, and when you split screens, like you'll see in a second, it'd be great for the second person to have a microphone so that both people sound great. But let's just go back to the internal microphones. And I mean, as a webcam, you can literally just kind of, be a little bit more loose with it, move it around because it's very light and easy to lift up and move around. Now, just like the Insta360 One RS, it's really cool because you can press this button once and it goes from this lens that you're seeing right now to the other one. Yeah, and then you press that button one more time. So yeah, now you can see both sides because it uses both lenses at the same time. By the way, it's Whiskey's 3rd birthday today. That's exciting. Hey buddy, happy birthday. The quality's actually blowing me away a little bit. It's like not really bright in here and it looks really nice. I mean, there's a lot of creative ways to use something like this. Imagine you're a musician and you have someone else on the other side. You guys are just jamming together. It could look really cool having the split screen instead of having to cram everyone in the same screen. Yeah, I actually think that's a really cool feature. But time's up, and that's basically everything you need to know about this anyways. And this has already been one of my favorite cameras out there just because it's so much fun to play with. And it just makes it even that much better that you can use it as a webcam and multiple webcams. But there we go. Thanks for joining me on another 30-second Thursday. There's a lot of exciting things happening on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.